Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to update your NVIDIA graphics card driver. First, right-click any blank space on your desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel. Next, click on System Information at the bottom left corner. Here you'll see your graphics card model and driver version noted down. Now open your browser, for example, Google Chrome. In the search bar, type NVIDIA driver and open the first link to visit NVIDIA's official website. Under Manual Driver Search, select your graphics card type, for example, GeForce, RTX, or GTX. Next, choose your model. Then select your operating system, for example, Windows 10 64-bit. Click Find. Choose between the latest studio driver or game-ready driver depending on your usage. Click View Details and then click Download. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Right-click the NVIDIA installer file and choose Run as Administrator. Click OK to extract and wait for the setup window to appear. Now, select NVIDIA Graphics Driver, then click Agree and Continue. Choose Express Installation and click Next. Wait for the installation to finish. This may take a few minutes. When it's done, click Close. Finally, go back to your desktop, right-click again, and open NVIDIA Control Panel. Click System Information once more to confirm that your driver is now updated. And that's it. You successfully updated your NVIDIA graphics card driver. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.